Hi everyone, it's Elle. Thank you so much for watching. I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you every outfit me and Mr. Traveler wear. We are now on the Mardi Gras Carnival Cruise. So I love to dress up, you guys know that. I love to wear my sunglasses every day, and I like to have my accessories. And what I want to do on this trip is I want to do a clean girl look every day. It's a sea day. We went to brunch and we just getting back. We also stopped at Pig Anchor. It was really good. How did you like it, Mr. Traveler?
It was so good. I'm sleepy.
Yes. So as you can see, I'm wearing black and white now, and I'm going to be wearing black and white tonight. Tonight is formal night. This is our first sea day. I decided not to even film yesterday because it was an embarkation day. We were so tired.
Yep.
Yes. So I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these cute Ben X cream sunglasses. I get so many questions and compliments on these because cream is hard to find, especially with the tints. My tints are orange, so the tint and the lenses are orange, and it's got like a faded effect, gradient effect. I think that's the name of it. And these are hard to find, but I'll try to link them below. I'm wearing a Chanel iPhone case purse. This is just to hold my purse because I love Chanel. I'm wearing these mini earrings from Disney World. My lovely husband bought them for me. He did. And these are so cute. And then I'm wearing on my hands a ring, a thumb ring, and a finger ring. And I have my wedding ring on. I have this jewelry. This particular bracelet is from Amazon, and this one is a Chanel bracelet. I usually wear my Cartier, but I'm gonna wear it tonight. This dress is from Target. I love this dress, and I mixed it with my undergarment, which is my brassiere. My brassiere is from 𝐺𝑙𝑎𝑚, and I know you probably saw a lot of ads on 𝐺𝑙𝑎𝑚. No, this video is not sponsored, but this is a minimizing bra, and it's very, very comfortable. So it's from 𝐺𝑙𝑎𝑚, and I have every color. And the back of the dress is open with a cutout in the back, which gives me some air because it's very, very warm on the ship. And I'm wearing some Christian Louboutin flip-flops. These are the flop editions from, I think, 2022 to 2023. So, red bottoms. Yes, I have a whole collection of red bottoms. I love them. So let me take this off. And then I'm going to show you what Mr. Traveler is wearing. Like a really cute, let me get that off his shirt. He has on a really cute just t-shirt today. We laid back. Like I said, it's a sea day, and we are...
It's a polo.
It's a polo t-shirt. It feels really good. He's a stickler for how his clothes feel on him. He likes to look clean, and he likes to look preppy, yet laid back. But he always looks put together. It don't matter where we go. He looks put together. He don't just throw stuff together. He actually think about what he's wearing, right?
That's right.
Yeah. How does the shirt feel?
It's very comfortable. It's great for cruising. I have a lot of them with me this cruise. You're probably going to see this a lot.
Yep. And the shorts is yellow, and these are Tommy Bahama, right?
Yep.
Every time he wears Tommy Bahama, it feels good. Let me tell you, ladies, man, make sure you go get your man some Tommy Bahamas. And those are Crocs?
Yep. Croc sandals.
Yep. So we just had a brunch sea day today, and we're going to show you what we're going to be wearing tonight. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's black and white night for me and Mr. Traveler. This is the final look for me. This is a clean girl look. It's really, really golden. Look at my life, it's golden. We are on our way to dinner. It's formal night, and I'm wearing a black and white dress. I'll put the D's down below. I'm wearing wedges. Fun fact, I haven't worn heels since I broke my leg, so this is my first time. I'm very wobbly, but this dress was so pretty, I just had to show you it. It's very flowy, very pretty. Mr. Traveler is wearing navy blue and white. He's mad because he left his black pants at home. That's okay, he got a linen, this is Tommy Bahama, the shirt, and he's wearing some Louis Vuitton loafers, and they just came out. They are so cute. I'll get a close-up later for you. This is our look for tonight, and I hope you enjoy it.
Time for dinner.
Time for dinner. And just like that, we're back. Today is day 4.
Yes.
And we were at Dominican Republic all day. We were at the beach called Puerto Playa. That's the name of the beach. And we did a catamaran ride and we got sunburned. So that's why I have on no makeup. I just have on Dior lipstick and that's it. And I'm wearing the jewelry that I wore all week. I'm wearing an Amazon bracelet right here and my Chanel bangle. And I have on a thumb ring with my wedding ring. And I have on another, either I wear this on my thumb or I wear it on my wedding finger on the other side of my hand because both hands are married. And I'm wearing a dress from Amazon. It's cute. It has a little tie on the side. You can wear it up if you're daring, or you can pull it all the way down. And this side also ties as well. It has cute little ties. If you want to wear some shorts under it as a t-shirt, you can, or you can wear it as a dress. It has a little zipper in front, and it's palm trees. Yay. And on my feet, I'm wearing Valentinos. And these are also in black, and I have them in black as well. They are very comfortable. I love them, and they are studded and they are flat. So I'm wearing some hoops from my girl. Gifted it to me for, I think I got these for Christmas from Ash Marie Luxuries. Thank you so much. And I'm wearing some Mickey Mouse in my second hole. I'm wearing my hair in the bun because I washed it. I've been washing my hair all day, every day. We've been doing a lot of swimming and we've just been enjoying the island. So here's Mr. Traveler. He's wearing a colorful, cute, I just love the shirt. It's say I'm having a fun time.
You can only wear this on a cruise.
You can wear it in Florida too because that's how they dress. And it is from St. Kitts. And his pants is like this really stretchy material. They are so cute. They are more clean cut. The inseam is really, really good. And they fall right over his shoes. These are Tommy Hilfigers. The shoes are Tommy Hilfiger. And he's just wearing his cute watch today. What type of watch is that?
I should know this. It is a TAG Heuer.
The TAG Heuer watch. And he also been in the sun. That's why his skin is very olive and just glistening with sun. So we spent a lot of time in the sun today. And I told you, I don't care how tired we are or what happens, I'm coming to you every day with our outfits. And this is what we're wearing today. So let's show you what we're wearing tomorrow. Hey everybody, we back. Today is day 3 and we are on our way to the steakhouse. What is it called?
Steakhouse.
Carnival Steakhouse.
I can't remember.
Think, is it Chops?
Nope.
It's not Chops. I'm not sure, but I'll put it right below on the screen. And we are so tired. We've been at the beach all day. I barely have on any makeup. I don't have on a lot of makeup. I'm wearing this cute dress that I got on Amazon. Lovely. It's a cute little sundress with a zipper in the back. And it feels very, very silky, yet comfortable. It has frills on the end of it. And I'm wearing my Chanel twill sandals that I love so much. And I'm wearing Chanel earrings. And I have on my jewelry that I've been wearing all week. I have on a bracelet from Amazon and a Chanel bangle, my ring, and a thumb ring and a finger ring. Mr. Traveler. Take a breath. We've been at the beach all day, so this is not easy to do, but I said we was going to bring you fashion every day. So Mr. Traveler, starting from the top, he's wearing his Louis Vuitton sunglasses that I love so much. He have a new pair now. These are gold with bronze in them. I love them. He's wearing a Tommy Bahama shirt with the motif on the side. It's very tropical because we are in the Caribbean. And he's wearing linen
Cuba
Vera pants. They have a tie in the front of it, as you can see right here. So if you want to eat all you can on the cruise, you can just stretch that bad boy out and you'll be good to go. He's wearing some Croc sandals. that's very, very casual. I love them, and I just love this whole entire look. This is one of my favorite shirts. This is one of my favorite looks on Mr. Traveler. So I tried to match it with my little colorful dress. So we are off to the steakhouse, and we appreciate each and every one of you watching. If you love these outfits, give us a thumbs up and comment for more if you want to see more. Bye.